guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and hope you all are still keeping safe. Yes, it's very important because I'm keeping safe 100%. So if today is your first time of viewing my channel, you're highly and always welcome. Please don't forget to click on the red button to get subscribed and also the bell sign to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And as for the old subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. I really appreciate. God bless you all. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to prepare carrot puree for your baby. Babies above 6 months of age. Oh no, carrots is one of the best first food for babies. Carrots are very high in vitamin A, which is needed to support the immune system, as well as the eye, lungs, and the heart. Carrots are very rich in fiber, which helps your baby to have normal bowel movements. Carrot also contains vitamin B6 and K, which is needed for the hair and the skin. Carrot also contains calcium and vitamin C. So guys, stay tuned, don't go away. So guys, over here I have 2 neatly well washed carrots. As you can see, it's neatly washed and also well scraped. I also have half glass of water, which I'll be using to steam the carrots. So what I will do next now is to cut the carrot into smaller pieces. I'll dice it into smaller pieces, then steam it for 20 minutes. Guys, when you're done cutting the carrots, this is what it should look like. So the next thing I will do now is to put it in my pot and then steam it for 20 minutes. Then add water. So guys, it's 20 minutes gone and the carrot is ready. So what I will do now is to transfer the already cooked carrot to my blender and then blend it. And add little water to it before blending. As you can see, I'm done blending it and this is what I have now. You see? So guys, this is it. The carrot puree is ready. Just give it a try. It's very nutritious. Very nutritious. Give it a try. It's ready. So as it is now, you can now feed your baby. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all.